Mexican food is one cuisine I find closest to Indian food in terms of flavor, spiciness, and tanginess. In this video, we are going to make easy yet stunning dish called the black bean crunch wrap. So let's move on to the recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of oil into a pan. Add finely chopped garlic. Saute it for a bit. Now add boiled black beans. Cook it for a minute and add all the spices. Now goes in some red chili powder followed by cumin coriander powder. I already added salt while boiling beans, so I'm not going to add it again. Now with the help of spatula or potato masher, mash everything well. Add water and adjust the consistency. Now this is ready, so turn off the stove and let it cool down completely. Now we will make our salsa. So for that, take 2 tomatoes, cut it into small pieces. Finely chop some sweet peppers. Also chop some onion. And chop some fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything well together. Now squeeze half a lemon juice. Add salt and freshly crushed black pepper. Mix well together and our fresh salsa is ready. We will also make guacamole. For that, take some avocado. Squeeze lemon in it. Add some freshly crushed black pepper and salt to taste. Mash everything and our quick guacamole is ready. To make this Mexican wrap, we will require tortillas, and these are my homemade tortillas. I have already shared the recipe on my channel and I will share the link in the description box below. So in order to make one Mexican wrap, we will require one big size tortilla and 2 small size tortillas. Now we will assemble everything. So keep one big size tortilla and spread some black bean paste onto it. Place a slice of cheese and on top of it also spread some Mexican cheese. You can select cheese as per your taste. You can also use mozzarella cheese here. Now place another small size tortilla on top of it. Spread some guacamole followed by sour cream. Also sprinkle some fresh salsa on top of everything. Some greens of your choice. I'm keeping some spinach leaves. Again cover it with small size tortilla. And now fold it from all the sides the way I'm doing. Now place this wrap on hot tawa, sprinkle with some oil on it. Keep the flame on low to medium and cook on both the sides. Keep on pressing gently and cook it until light brown in color. Flip it over and cook on the other side as well. Now it is done from both the sides, so take it out. Give it a slit in the middle and serve it. If you don't have two size tortilla, then I will show you another method. Take one tortilla, spread black bean paste on it, followed by guacamole and sour cream on it. Also add some salsa and greens of your choice. And now wrap it from all the sides the way I'm doing. And now this is also ready. If you wish, you can cook it from all the sides. And this is perfect for lunch box as well. Give it a slit in the middle. And this is also ready to serve. This wrap is perfect for lunch boxes. I hope you like this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this recipe with your families and friends. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.